The jury is not out yet as far as I'm concerned. That's why, this iba yung dating ko kanina. Talagang hinanap ko yung overview of all the problems. No? And obviously, kahit sabi ko nga, to the point na sabi ko, age does not matter. It's the implementation. It's the gaps that have to be connected. And kaya nga, I called another meeting on Friday. This time, I'm requiring all the secretaries of local government, education, and PNP, and all the others para we can get a holistic approach on what has to be done regarding sa mga pag-asa, how to get the families involved na the kids don't have to commit crimes, etc., and how education come up with truant officers and have activities in school. Sabi ko nga, I promise it na I may sound naive, pero mukhang doon tayo magsisimula. Hindi mo naman makukuha, sabihin mo kay 9 o 15 o 12. It's still the same situation kung hindi mo i-implement yung intention ng batas. Yun ang problema.